managing customers. A customer, remember, is not necessarily a person. It can be, but it's the account that pays the bills. If you're working with a business or a hospital or a larger entity, it will not be a human being. In order to manage customers, you go to the menu and either click on the customer name to list your customers, or click on the plus to add either an account, which is a new customer, or specific documents surrounding this customer account. For now, let's start to create a new customer. So you click on the plus and then the account. This presents a form where you fill in your customer detail. Remember, this is not the person, this is the entity. If you do sell to consumers where this would be a person, then it's simple. You would just put in the person's name. Otherwise, you will put in the specific company name. You enter an optional switchboard number, an optional website, and then optional addresses. Technically, all you need is the customer name, but keep in mind that garbage in, garbage out says the better quality of data you enter into the system, the better quality you'll get out. So the addresses allows for a postal and a physical address. You can enter a primary contact with some detail, a secondary contact, and finally a financial contact. In this case, statements and invoices will go to the financial contact, and invoices will also go to the primary contact. Finally, you can add some financial detail related to this customer, like VAT number, registration number, the terms, the region, the currency, and also classified further by selecting an account type, an account manager, whether it's active or a prospective customer. You can add a logo, add other attachments like documents or pictures, and finally save this customer. And that's the process for adding a new customer account. When you do add a new account, the system will just check and verify whether that account already exists, because you could be creating duplicates. So keep your eye on the screen once you've entered the company name to ensure that there aren't any duplicates indicated. In the company account, you can now do updates. You can change the account manager by clicking on the person's name. You can also edit the account type and several other options. To update the full record set, click on the Update tab, which brings you several areas that you can update for this customer account. To click on the Contacts tab, that's where you access any specific contacts, the primary, secondary, and financial contact, and also where you can add new contacts for this customer. You also see documents, the locations for this customer, and other options. In order to update a customer, you'll be going to your customer list from the menu. This gives you a list of all your customers. You can either scroll through the list if it's a short list, or simply type the customer name in the search field and click on the match. This brings you to your account where you can click the Update tab and make any specific changes. Or you can click on the Contacts tab and view or contact your contacts from there.